So, at the Tres Chimneys, closest I've ever been. I never thought I'd get this near.
It looks like that there's two now.
Looks like what?
There's two.
There's Tres.
But I don't see the other. It's too tiny.
Too tiny. It's massive. So yeah, it's open for this exhibition. I think you need tickets. I'd like to try and get, well, inside. So let's see. Yeah, they got tickets. I'll ask. Well, at least we can get close to it. Good news, managed to get a ticket for me and Hugo. The sold out thing was for a guided tour. I've only got 5 minutes to record on this, so got to be short clips. The Tres Xemeneies. There echoes. We made it inside. Looks like loads of art installations too. Those drapes over there, that'd be cool. Which way should we go? Up the stairs, I guess, is the only way. Got to be very short with the clips. That's why I'm rushing ahead. Oh wow. Where's Groot? Where's Groot? I'm joking, I don't know. I'm probably gonna have to come back here. I had no idea it was an art installation. I was more just interested in the factory, but what an amazing building. As you go, gone. What is this thing? I think you can walk through there, can you? Maybe not. No. You can see that outside. Don't walk in it. I don't know if you can walk in it, but no. Yeah. Two minutes left of footage. I want to save it for upstairs. I'll come back later in the week. You go. Don't touch them. They're caterpillars and maggots. Yeah.
Looks like
This could become like Barcelona's Tate Modern. What's the queue in there? Like a ghost. Oh, I've got the sea out there. will be. Hold on. Let me just get a picture. This is the floor. Right, footage is going to run out soon. Inside the Tres Xemeneies factory, not inside the actual factory.
What's he?
Yeah.